Like, you will catch me looking at my bank account in 2019 because the holiday shopping for myself has been a lot. I'm definitely one of those people that scroll through Instagram and then like a sponsored post comes out and I'm like, do I need it? Do I not? Yes, I do. And then I end up buying it. So a while back, I filmed a video called 5 Instagram trends that are not worth your money. Today's video is gonna be 5 Instagram trends that are worth your money. I definitely think that all of these items are great for gifting for the holidays. So if you're stuck in a rut or if you need some gifting ideas, then please keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and today is Friday. I also have an Instagram account, Twitter, Snapchat, and a blog. So if you want links to all those places, then just check out the description. The links to all the products I'm talking about today are also going to be in the description. But yeah, with that, let's go into 5 Instagram trends or products that are definitely worth your money. Just a disclaimer before we start this video, this is not a paid sponsorship video. I was never paid to say any of these things for these products. I have been gifted a couple of the MVMT products, I will say that, but that's about it. Everything else I have purchased with my own money. These are all my 100% honest opinions. I just thought I would mention that because I think it gets confusing sometimes when you bring up like Instagram products, blah, blah, blah. Just so you guys know, there's all my opinions and most of the stuff I paid for. One time I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw free swimsuit, free bikini, and you just had to pay for shipping. So then I bought it. Total mistake. Absolutely biggest mistake of my life. It was as thin as paper. Not at all what the picture showed. But you know, that's what happens, you know? So I definitely am the person who's scrolling through Instagram and I'm like, I definitely need that. I need to try that. I need to try this. I need to buy this. Yes, 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 that is me. But today I am showing you the 5 things that I honestly think are worth your money. Let's start off with the 2 items that I just like, I have been talking about these items since summertime. This company is less than a year old and is just killing it. Like, you guys, if you are not already a fan or familiar with Summer Fridays, you need to get on it. Look them up on Instagram. You need to know who they are because this is one of my favorite products so far that I have purchased, like from learning about it on Instagram or just like social media. I have used both of these products before on my channel, so I will leave links down below to the videos where I have used both of these products. This one here is the Overtime Mask. She's an exfoliating mask. You just leave her on for 10 minutes and then you wipe her off. So incredibly soothing, smells amazing. It smells like a pumpkin spice latte, which everyone describes it as. Not super abrasive, very gentle exfoliant. I really do love this stuff. And then the Jet Lag Mask is a tried and true favorite of mine. This is my 2nd bottle that I've purchased. I do use when I travel. I use it when I go to bed. I use it as a primer. I use it as an eye mask. I use it as a full face mask. Like, I use this stuff all the time. And today I'm wearing it as a primer underneath my makeup. Really does help with foundation, like sticking onto your skin and not moving and not going anywhere. I really do love this stuff so much. It's not like pore filling at all, but it doesn't even claim to say that. If you have not tried this yet in Sephora, definitely go into your local Sephora, try it out. You can try this one too. And I love that they are now in store so that you can try the product out before you buy it. That is my first Instagram trend that I definitely think is worth your money. I know that like on Instagram we have like our fashion, our makeup community, we have like all of these different like little pods. So most of the makeup community knows about this, but it's called the Juno Sponge Challenge. I recently did a video reviewing the Beauty Blender versus the Juno Sponge. This is the JUNO&CO Microfiber Fusion Sponge and the Velvet Sponge. Honestly, that previous video that I did was my first impressions of this sponge. But since I have been using it, you guys, I will tell you right now, it has very quickly become one of my favorites. And the reason I'm saying that it's worth your money is because it's only $6. It is definitely worth every single dollar. Today I am using the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush just to like get the product spread around my face, but then I use this to really blend it out and give me that airbrushed finish. So if you're not a huge, like, you don't know a ton about makeup or you don't know, like, you're not a makeup guru, like neither am I, that's why I think this product is really user friendly. It's so much easier than the Beauty Blender, like in my opinion, just because it's squishier, it's fluffier, it's just easier to blend. But with the Beauty Blender, sometimes like if you don't know how to use it like correctly, or you don't pull out all the water, like sometimes it can dilute your makeup. It can soak up all your makeup. Definitely think it's worth your money. I don't think I need to keep rambling on about it. I'll leave a link to that video where I reviewed this versus the Beauty Blender down below, so definitely watch that if you're interested in makeup. The next Instagram trend products that I definitely feel like you have been seeing all over Instagram. Like, I'm pretty sure you've scrolled through your Instagram and saw like 3 of these, but it is the infamous teddy bear jacket. Okay, so this is the Shein teddy bear jacket. I featured her like way before in the beginning of September or something like that, when we started to hit fall, and I just thought, you know what, this is gonna be a big jacket. I definitely need to get my hands on it, but I didn't want to spend like $1,000, so I just thought, let's go to my trusty Shein and see if they have any good ones. So I saw this one, and I know that a ton of you guys have already purchased this, so I hope you guys have been enjoying the jacket just as much as I have. I've styled this up so many different ways. If you want to see me styling it, make sure you're following me on my Instagram, because I always, like, anything that I recently bought or that I'm wearing, I definitely post on my Instagram, so check out my Instagram. I think I could have sized down, to be honest, but I think the fear with like online companies is sizing down is worse than sizing up, because you don't want it to fit like so tight and small then you can't wear it at all. But if it's a little bit bigger, you can at least like wear sweaters or jackets underneath it. I feel like you can finesse it. It's not too late to get one. I definitely think that you could still wear this a ton. So that is definitely an Instagram trend that I think is worth your money. So the next trend that I definitely have been seeing all over Instagram, that I feel like a lot of bloggers especially have been talking about, is the blue block lens glasses. So these are mine. These are from MVMT. I know that in 2018, we are all like on our phones. We are all on our laptops. We're just like on our computers a lot. I think it is important to really protect your eyes, especially because I don't think we'll know the repercussions of like what we're like constantly looking at until our eyesight gets worse and like this and that. And I think that, is it really working? Is it not? Is it just a conspiracy? I know that even in Korea, they've been wearing these types of glasses for a really long time, and just recently has it come to America. So I definitely think that the blue block lens thing is an actual like legit thing. I got mine from MVMT. I know that tons and tons of glasses shops do them now. I went to an optometrist and like I got my lenses made with the blue block and my prescription, but when I bought these originally, they were blue block lens glasses. So I would wear my contacts and then I'd wear these over. Those of you who are like photographers and you're editing photos on your laptop, or like even YouTubers, bloggers, even if you're on your phone at night, it's really important to protect your eyes, like just so that you can have it like in your bag or just in your backpack or wherever. And when you're traveling, different things like that definitely helps. And you can get $15 off with the code SEAMS15. That's SEAMS 15. I know, shameless plug, but I definitely think that it's nice to just get a little bit of money taken off. And these aren't super expensive, and they're very, very high quality. Like, you'd be surprised. These are so nice. Like, the quality of these glasses are so good, and they're not that expensive, which it just blows my mind, especially after $15 off. So definitely take advantage of the code. I have a direct link down below to these glasses in every single one of my videos, because I do get questions about what glasses I wear. I think that blue block lens glasses are definitely an Instagram trend that are worth your money. The next Instagram trend I have talked about on my channel before. I did an unboxing, but it's the Gizu hair perfume. I think only those who are really like on Instagram know the Instagram bloggers, know the Instagram YouTubers. Like, you guys know about Gizu. I feel like most people don't know about Gizu because it's not like, you don't see it in Sephora or anywhere like, you know, in person. It's just really through like Instagram word of mouth, I guess. But for those of you who know, you know, Gizu is just a really big famous brand on Instagram, started by Megan Marsali. I think I'm saying her name correct. I hope so. It smells like honey, but then you get so much floral notes, and like it's just warm, and it's summery, and yet you can wear it in winter too. It's one of those fragrances you can wear all year round. I've gotten compliments of the way that I smell when I do wear this. It's crazy. Like, people are so curious as to like what you're wearing. They're like, wait, what are you wearing? Like, what? And I'm like, it's Gizu hair perfume. I put it back in the box for you guys just because I'm extra and I wanted it to like look really cute. But yeah, this is definitely an Instagram trend that I think is very expensive, but it is worth your money if you are willing to purchase it. So it is $80, and you guys, you're probably like, $80? Fragrances and perfume are definitely it's not something that you buy very often, and if you do, like, you want something that's luxurious and expensive, I think that that's what this product really does for me, especially. Like, I notice that, like, when I have this on, I do feel really good about myself. And I know that sounds crazy, like, how can a fragrance make you feel good about yourself? You should feel good about yourself no matter what fragrance you're wearing, you know, but I'm just saying that this definitely makes me feel a little bit more expensive. I feel like more put together. Like, I really do like this fragrance a lot, but definitely I think it's worth your money. I don't think that hair comb though, $60, I don't think that's worth it at all. At all, no. I think it's so cute. A tortoise shell hair comb is gorgeous, but it is not worth your money. $60 can buy you a pair of shoes, okay? So do not spend that. No, it's not worth it. $60 for a hair comb, I cannot swing that. So anyways, but I definitely think that this hair perfume is worth your money. I want to try the hair oil so bad, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit because my wallet right now, like, I'm just scared to look at my bank statement. Like, you will catch me looking at my bank account in 2019 because the holiday shopping for myself has been a lot. I'm sure some of you guys can relate. I know most of you guys are a lot smarter than I am, so maybe not, but I'm sure some of you guys can. Very last and final Instagram trend that I definitely think is worth your money are knee-high boots, okay? And I'm not talking about like thigh highs. We are saying goodbye to thigh highs. I know that they're still out there. There will always be a place for thigh highs during the fall season, but during winter, it is all about the leather thigh high that bunches up near the calf. Where else would it be from? They're from ZARA, obviously. That's the only place I shop for my life. The material is so buttery. The leather feels so good. The toe isn't too pointy, and it's just like that perfect rounded point, which I love. A wide heel, a thick heel, which makes it so easy to walk in. I have yet to wear these because I'm scared to wear them. I know that my mom is gonna ask me when I bought them, and I'm scared that she's gonna know I spent more money, so I haven't worn them. If you can relate, like this video, with a satin skirt or with like a lacy skirt, or even with like a turtleneck sweater dress like I'm wearing today, I think this looks so cute. Oh my goodness, like, yes, and I've seen this all over Instagram, so I'm really excited because I actually don't have any knee-high boots in my shoe wardrobe, which makes no sense. So those are all the Instagram trends that I think are worth your money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I hope this helps you guys, especially with the holidays coming around. I know you guys are trying to think of the perfect gift, and so many people are giving us like holiday gift guides and ideas, but sometimes they're just so expensive. So definitely take advantage of the MVMT code that I have, and the Juno&CO sponge is only $6, and I think it's great for anybody who's like an aspiring makeup artist that you know, or like a makeup guru. But yeah, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this so much. I am just so grateful that you guys are loving my Vlogmas videos, and you guys are loving all the recent videos that I've been pushing out every single day. I have been working super hard. Choosing YouTube as a career path is definitely a risk, especially because I have no idea like what's gonna happen, but I'm just believing myself. I'm believing in you guys, and your support and love for my channel just definitely motivates me. So thank you guys so much. I want to say thank you in every single video. Like, you have no idea how much your support means to me, and like I just want to continue to make it known that you guys are honestly like the people who watch my videos and take the time to like, comment, talk to me, ask me questions on Instagram, like all that stuff. Like, those are the people that are really like, that really just motivate me and push me to keep making awesome quality videos and just like doing this every single day. So with that said, definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!